Congratulations. You've purchased a HUG Hydronics in-floor delivery system. But what do all these lights mean? Well, they're actually quite easy to understand, and I'm here to walk you through them. The indicator lights are on the top of the control board and are able to be seen when the control board is closed. The sticker on the control board indicates what each color of light means for each light. Let's go through each one. First, let's look at the pump indicator lights. Gray means it's off. Green means it's mid-power. Yellow means it is in use. A red indicator light means something is wrong with the pump and you need to diagnose. Let's look at the rest of the control board. First, the thermostat zones. If the light is gray, the zone is currently not calling for heat. However, if it's blue, that means it's calling for heat and being served. The low water indicator light. Gray means that the water level is A-OK. However, if you have a red indicator light, the water level is too low. Please add more water glycol mixture. And the max temperature light. If it's gray, the temperature levels are okay. If it's green, temperatures have reached maximum. And that's it. You can see why we're simpler at HUG Hydronics.